Hello viewers, this video comprises 5 situations. The special feature lies on the fifth situation. That is the lady used, who spoke, that lady used a word cracks. But instead we can use crevice, fissures, openings, etc. In the first video, the lady used litter. Litter means make a space untidy with rubbish. In the second situation, step aside is used. We can also use move aside. In the third situation, room. You go to a cinema theater, you want to sit in a bus, you ask the fellow passenger, is there a room, a space to be occupied? Normally people use empty, vacant. In the fifth situation, as I said earlier, cracks is used, but a crevice also can be used, fissure, openings can also be used. But in one situation, a lady was found sitting with her legs crossed. Normally, it shows a disrespect to the higher authorities, the people, those who are elderly to you, and especially older to you, that is unbecoming of a person. Thank you. You watch this video intently, then you can speak English fluently. Thank you. Thank you.
You have littered the classroom. Pick up the crumbled paper and put it in the dustbin. I want to enter the classroom. Step aside.
You are sitting comfortably. Is there any room for me?
Oh yes. Hello Pooja. You are sitting your legs crossed. Don't you know showing your disrespect to your teacher?